Hey, welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to be changing this light right up here. Now if you've been following my videos and watching them and what have you, you may notice that I'm in the ensuite and I did decorate this not so long ago. I don't know, maybe a couple of months or so ago. Had a real problem up here with some black mould, which I did sort out, and there we go, you can have a look now. It's actually looking really nice. It's still alright, if you know what I'm saying. It's alright. The only problem is now is this thing. Look at the state of that. I mean, that we need to sort that out as well, the extractor fan. But right now in this video I'm going to be sorting that light out. We've got a new light to put on there. The missus bought a new light. She's like, oh, you've got to put this light up. It does look a bit grim, doesn't it? I mean, it's all white in here and that looks all yellow and a bit rubbish. So I'm going to show you the light. Let's show you the light that we're putting up. And here it is. So it's actually like a triple globe. It's almost a globe, isn't it? And maybe a mushroom stool or something like that. But it's three bulbs. We got these little G9 bulbs, G9 LED bulbs, which go in here. They didn't come with the light. Had to get those separately. But yeah, basically we're looking at 3 lights going up there. There's a mirrored section that goes on here as well. So I'm not quite sure where that goes. I think it might go on top here and then we put that on top, but we'll find out in a moment. We've got 3 fixing screws here. Now the other thing that the circumference of this, or the diameter of this rather, I'm hoping is bigger than the one in the bathroom, because obviously I spent a lot of time in this bathroom making it look all quite nice, but if you have a look at it, that does look quite small compared to that one, wouldn't you agree? I think so. So I think we'll be alright there, because I don't want to take that one down and then have to redecorate the ceiling, so that should cover that quite nicely. So right then, without further ado, let's do it. So the first thing we need to do is to cut the power. So go to your fuse board and make sure you shut that off. So we've got lights first and second floor. So I'm going to switch that one off and we'll go upstairs and check it. Yeah, there we go. Turning the light on and off and we're good to go. Right, so we'll just take this cap off. There we go, and yes, a nice straightforward fix in here. So we just got this connector block. Yeah, perfect. It's going to make that nice and easy. So we'll just take this out. So we've just got a couple of screws holding this to the ceiling, so we can just easily take that out. So I need to take that block off the other side because I can't get it through the light there. That's it. Boom. So obviously somebody's already had a light up there before this one was fitted. As you can see, there's still a couple of fixings from before, so hopefully, as I said already, our new light should cover all that up. Alright, so we've got this connector block here, which of course we need to connect our cable from the ceiling on. So first thing I need to do is just take this off. Cool, man. There we go, look at that, nice and simple. So we just need to connect our 3 wires into there. Nice easy job. So we've got 3 fixings on this plate here, so I just need to mark those where they're going to be in the ceiling. Try and make sure I miss these existing holes as well, but actually that really does cover up a lot of that old position, or where the old light was. So we're going to go right about there. It's good enough. So all I'm going to do is just put a little drill hole in the ceiling so I know where to put the fix in. There we go, 1, 2, 3. So these are the plasterboard fixings I'm using, and I've already marked on the ceiling where I want these to be, but I'm just going to put a little pilot hole in with this. It will just help that to go in a bit easier. So let's do that now. Actually, I'll take these 2 out because they don't need to be in there, and a bit dusty, but I'll clean those up. See, those fixings really do pull in tight. There's no way they're coming out. Completely flush to the ceiling. There we go. We'll connect the light up and then we can fix it. So the main feed here, earth cable, is a little bit longer, so I just need to cut that to the same length as the others and just push that sleeve up. I might just cut that sleeve a little bit on the earth. There we go, so they're all the same length now, or just about. Good enough. Don't make baby cry, baby. Just do these one at a time. They're not all going to stain at the same time. That's it. Then the earth. And then the live. So we should be able to just slot that back into that connector block. Cables are connected, we've got the fixings in the ceiling. Last thing we really need to do now is fix them in. Well, that's certainly secure. Nearly there. Okay, so bulbs in. Like a virgin. Woo! So this is where we've got to put this mirrored plate up and then secure it with the shades. Let's see if we can do this without dropping it. all the way up for now. And as these twist, they do lock into position. You can probably hear it as well as they lock in. And then we'll drop that down. And there we go. Next thing is turn the electric on. So there you go, that's how it looks. All lit up, looking rather nice. I think that's going to look even better at night time. It's quite bright, I think that will certainly light it up quite well. Yeah, good. Well done, JB. There we go, another job to keep the missus happy. And here's how it looks in the evening. All nice and white and bright. Well, there we go, job done. That wasn't too bad at all. It was a pretty straightforward one out, one in kind of job. The wiring was quite simple, so yeah, all good here. Well, that's it. I'm going to chill out now for the rest of the day. No doubt I'll have more jobs to do tomorrow, so until then, I guess I will see you next time. But in the meantime, why not check out some of my other videos, and if you're feeling generous, why don't you subscribe? That would be cool, and show your support. That would be fantastic. Well, stay cool, stay at home, and I'll see you real soon.